Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of eggs. Yes, you heard it right, eggs. The humble beginning. Eggs have been a staple in our diets for centuries. But did you know they're also a nutritional powerhouse? The nutritional treasure. Let's break it down. Eggs are packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're a complete source of amino acids, making them an essential food for building and repairing tissues. The controversy. But hold on, we've got some controversy to address. Are eggs bad for your cholesterol? Stick around to find out. Debunking the myths. We've dug into the research, and it turns out that for most people, eggs don't significantly impact cholesterol levels. In fact, they can improve good HDL cholesterol. The excellent benefits. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Eggs can aid in weight management, support brain health, and promote healthy hair and skin. Plus, they're a budget-friendly protein source. Egg varieties. But wait, there's more. We're not just talking about chicken eggs here. There are quail eggs, duck eggs, and even exotic varieties like ostrich eggs. Cooking inspiration. Let's get cooking. We're whipping up some delicious egg recipes that'll leave you drooling. From fluffy omelets to creamy custards, we've got it all. Q&A with an expert. To answer your burning questions, we've invited a nutrition expert to discuss the latest insights on eggs and health. Viewer challenges. Are you up for a challenge? We're launching the Egg-citing Egg Challenge. Try a new egg recipe, share it with us, and you could win some fantastic prizes. Conclusion. Before we wrap up, remember that eggs can be a part of a balanced diet. But as with any food, moderation is key. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting culinary adventures. Thanks for joining us on this egg-citing journey. Stay curious, keep cooking, and we'll see you next time.